All right, so in this video, we're going to be checking out this Yineel Grooming Kit. This is pretty nice. So this is what the box looks like right here. And I went ahead and took everything out of the box so you can get a good view of everything. But just to show you, it comes with this base here where you're able to store all of the pieces. So obviously you've got the main one here for the main tool. And then in addition to that, you've got little spaces for each of the different attachments here. And then you've even got some more space here in the back for your different guards that are going to go on to the clippers here. So in addition to this, there's also some other pieces as well that didn't fit into this piece here. Obviously in here, you're going to be utilizing the ones that you use the most. This comes with the base itself. It also comes with, this one is your body trimmer here. It's got the micro shaver here, which is a foil that's used to shave your face. These are more of your clippers here, and this is a design trimmer. We've got the precision trimmer, and then we've got the full-size trimmer here. These are self-sharpening blades in here, and then again, you have the different guards that can go on there as well. This is a little bit of an idea of what all you get inside of this box, but it does come with a charging cord. The things that I don't have out is the charging cord, lubricating oil, which you're able to put a couple drops onto this part of your blade right here to keep everything nice and smooth. And then you've got a couple of additional guards there as well as your cleaning brush. So you're able to use this to shave, and then you're able to clean it up with the tools there. And then you're also able to maintain it using the lubricating oil. So I'm just going to get this out and go over some of the attachments with you here. So I'm going to set this down and we're going to flip the camera up to where you can see me, and we'll show you a little bit more of that here in a second. So looking at this is what the device looks like here. And this first attachment here is going to be a nose hair trimmer. So you're able to turn this on, and as you can see when you turn it on, it tells you how much of a charge you have left. So we're at 100% right now. But with this, you're just going to put this in, and it's going to be able to trim your nose hair. This is also good for ear. If you've got any ear hair up here, you can use that in that as well. So that's the first head. These heads here just pop right off. So I believe that it's held in with magnets inside of here and then right here. So you'll see when you go to slide a new one on, it just pops right into place. So we'll take the nose hair trimmer out, and then we can go next to the foil shaver here. And this is going to be more for your, instead of shaving with a razor, you can use this. And in here, and you'll see it's just going to shave that hair down. So this is going to get you the closest shave. So you're going to want to use this in areas where you want as close of a bald look as possible. But this is going to do really good at shaving the shorter hairs. This is not going to work great if you're trying to use it on this part of my beard right here. It's going to cut, but it's not going to get it cleaned up like it will in this area down here. This is more of your daily shaver. So you're going to use this on a daily basis too. Instead of using a razor to shave, you can use this to get that area really smooth. So that's that part. So we'll go on to the next head here. The next head is going to be your design trimmer. I'm not going to use this one because I don't really have any spaces, but if you're trying to get in smaller areas or get in here, or if you want to clean some of this up a little bit and you're looking for a short little space there, this is going to be your ideal one for that. So again, you can see it's just a little tiny. It's going to be able to get in more precise areas. So if you're trying to precision shave, this is what you're going to be using. This is what you're going to be using for that one there. So that's what that one looks like. Next, we have this one, which is your design trimmer. And as you can see, this is one of your more traditional looking ones, but this is going to be able to help you shape things up. So if you're just wanting to clean up a little bit, you can get in there really good and just straighten your lines out. If you've got some strays, this is going to be that one. This is going to be your design trimmer. So that's what that one looks like. And then this one right here is your full-size shaver. So this is the one you're going to be able to use the guards on. So the way I think of this is more of, if you're looking to just cover a whole area, like this whole area, say I wanted to take all of this beard hair down, you've got these different guards here. So there's a 12 millimeter, a 9, a 6, a 3, I believe. And so you're going to put those on here to cover this whole area at once. So that's going to be able to shave all that and take that all down to a shorter length. So again, that's more of your full-size shaver there. And again, this one does come with various different heads. And then your last one here, let me pop this piece off. Your last one here is going to be your body trimmer. And that's what this one looks like. Again, you can see here the head, it has blades on both sides. So If you're using it, you can go back and forth and it's going to cover that area really well. Also, for the body shaver, you do have a couple of different guards for that as well. So those guards are going to pop on like that. And that way you've got, so say you're shaving arm hair, leg hair, chest hair, and you don't want it to be completely bald. You want to leave a little bit of space here. You do have two different guards here. So you've got the 3mm guard, and then you've also got the 5mm guard. So you can do bald 3mm or 5mm on those. So that's what those little pieces look like there. So I think that covers everything, but this is all around really nice. I'm going to play around with this a little bit more. I'm very impressed with it. It has a very solid feel to it. It is waterproof, so you can use this in your shower. Not sure that I would dunk it in the bathtub, but if you're taking a shower, you can get in there and use it. And I would just, when you're done, make sure you get it taken apart. So this is going to be able to dry out here. So if you're looking for a great all-around grooming kit, this can be used for face, it can be used for your body, get your nose, your ears, eyebrows, everything you need. You're able to cover all of that with all the different pieces you get here. And then the added benefit of having this little storage piece right here is pretty nice, because you can keep this on your counter and put the pieces in that you're going to be using on a daily basis and just kind of keep it all organized. So it's going to take up a lot less space on your countertop here. So again, if you're looking for a great shaver, I would definitely recommend checking this out from Yineel. I highly recommend it.